Hello everybody. So we had to come into town, and by into town I mean downtown Pittsburgh.
Anything to drink?
Okay, so we have a 2-hour wait to pick up birth certificates. So we decided to pop in to this burger place. What's the name of this place? And it's called Sharp Edge. And right there's where we are, the bistro on Penn. And their menu looks tasty. But here's what I'm actually looking at. They have an elk burger, elk with sirloin, a Belgian burger, lamb with sirloin. And they also have a Rocky Mountain burger, buffalo, elk, venison, wild boar, and Angus blended together. Yeah, I think that's what I'm trying. They also have some lunch specials, and I do love my fish, but I'm pretty sure the Rocky burger is where it's at today.
Thank you. Need more.
And I always get tea in the restaurant. And they always have bad tea, like I like herbal tea. Nobody ever has herbal tea, so I got some different tea. And I bring my own Stevia, Splenda, erythritol mix. Not Splenda at all, it's Splenda brand. But, and then I put it in this little container because I have to bring my own tea, such, when I come out. I still end up paying for the, I pay for a hot tea. I don't try to get out of paying for it. Sometimes they charge you, sometimes they say, oh, I'm not going to put that on your bill, but righty. There's my multi-burger. Boy, they could have given me more onions, huh? We skip the bun and just hold that with lettuce or cut it with a fork. And there's some Brussels sprouts that are baked. Sam opted for the unhealthy fries. There's his burger. And then he got wings. That's it.